This is like the perfect summer wig. Like, you want to look cute and a little bit bougie, but you don't want to be dealing with hair all like that. Like, this is some good hair. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see by the title, today I have another wig review for you guys. Like, y'all, I don't know if it's just me, but I've been really popping up with these hair videos lately and your girl's excited. So basically, as you guys can see by the title, today I'm going to be reviewing yet another wig from Beauty Lumia Hair off of Amazon. So yes, this is another affordable Amazon wig for you guys. Like, listen, I'm putting y'all on because, listen, like, a lot of these wigs I've been reviewing have been pretty affordable, even though they are human hair. And yeah, like, guys, like, let's get into this hair real quick. So like I mentioned earlier, this is from Beauty Lumia Hair off of Amazon, and this is their lace front wigs, human hair pre-plucked with baby hair, straight virgin human hair wigs for black women, 14-inch, and this is actually a 2x6 lace straight hair bob lace wig. Like, I know the names be a little bit long, I feel like, in my personal opinion, when it does come to a lot of these Amazon like wig companies, but nonetheless, here's the wig and your girl's feeling it. Like, honestly, this is like the first wig in a long time that I was able to literally wear during the day and I can just take the hair off at night because of the way the parting situation and the lace situation is. So as you guys can see, this is basically what the part is looking like in all of its glory. Honest to goodness, I really didn't even have to pluck the part or nothing like that at all. Like, at all. The only thing I did with the part, I put a little bit of concealer and that was pretty much it. And then that's what that's looking like. Even after I bleached the knots and all that stuff, this is what the part is looking like. So I really do like that. And again, you don't get a whole lot of lace in the front, which isn't a bad thing to me. Yeah, so that's what the lace is looking like in all its glory. Of course, I'm going to be inserting like different clips and stuff like that throughout the video as well before I plop the wig on. So if you were interested in purchasing this exact wig, it is $89.07. So let's just round it up to like $91 after tax. This wig is also eligible for Amazon Prime as well. Now, of course, with the whole virus situation going on, Amazon isn't the quickest when it comes to delivery as they used to be. But if the show's on here, like, granted, it's 9:30 at night right now, and it's saying that if I were to order this hair right now, I get free delivery Friday. So today's Tuesday, I'm shooting this video, so I'll get here Friday. Probably might even get here Thursday, because I don't know about y'all, but like, for me, when I order something off of Amazon and it says I'm gonna get it like Friday, for example, I actually end up getting it on Thursday, which is kind of weird, but I'm not really complaining. Like, 9 times out of 10 I actually get it sooner than I'm supposed to, but that's fine. So just in case anybody was maybe wanting this to be like their birthday hair, or they just really wanted a new wig because they're tired of what they're dealing with now, it's not going to take forever today for you to get this wig, so that's also a very good plus as well. Yeah, your girl's really feeling this hair. This is their Brazilian straight. Honestly, I would say it maybe took like 2-3 minutes tops for me to straighten this hair. Like, this hair does, even when you first dry it, it pretty much dries bone straight except for the end, so you just have to pass your flat iron through it a couple times. It has very minimum tingling, very minimum shedding, so that's a big plus as well. Now again, this hair is 14 inches, so it comes to about here on me, as you guys can see, and then this is all the hair pulled forward. And then that's what that's looking like. So as you guys can see, I can easily just run my hands through it. It's not shedding, it's not tingling, nothing like that. So I'm very impressed. I will say I am very, very, very impressed with the way this wig is acting right now. I like the fact that this wig also comes with an elastic band as well, so I definitely feel like that helps kind of secure the wig on your head. You don't have to worry about it slipping and sliding. I will say though, this wig, with the way the cap construction is, like, I don't know, it's a little wonky because it's like the ear tabs are like halfway down my ear, like right here. And when I try to like put them behind my ear and then have the rest of the hair like normal, it feels a little bulky on the sides. So literally the way I've been wearing this hair these past few days is just wearing it with the ear tabs on my ear like this. So I will 1000% say this hair is big head friendly. I'm on the smaller head side of things, so it is a little bit tricky. Also, I do have like the adjustable straps. I do have it to like the very last loop to have it as tight as I can have the wig. The wig isn't loose on me by any means. Like, it's not slipping and sliding around my head throughout the day as I'm at work and stuff like that. But just so you know, again, the ear tabs are a little bit wonky. But other than that, I do like the cap construction. Again, the part is like the main thing. I don't know, like, I was really curious, like when they had hit me up and asked me to do a review for them. I was a little bit surprised when I heard 2x6, because I honestly didn't even think that people made 2x6 wigs all like that. But yeah, so far the wig is good. I honestly don't really have any complaints besides like the ear tabs like on my ears. But other than that, the hair itself is acting very nice. Now mind you, in PA this whole week it's been like 90 degrees. It's been 90 degrees. It's been really humid. It's been rainy. It's been hot. It's been muggy. And I will say the hair does get just a little bit frizzy, but besides the point, I feel like this is some really bomb hair, especially considering the fact that your girl doesn't really put a lot of products on body wave and straight hair. Now curly hair, that's a different situation, but when it comes to like straight hair, honestly the only thing I really put on my hair, I would say, is like the argan oil or like a heat protectant or like the ion like heat protectant. That's basically all I put on the hair, and the hair basically stays sleek and straight like this throughout the day. I will say the ends might kind of like flip up a little bit by the end of the day because of it being hot and like, you know, the humidity and stuff like that. But other than that, the hair pretty much stays straight. I didn't try to put any curls in this hair just because, I don't know, I just like wearing the hair as is. Other than that, nothing too crazy. I did bleach the knots on the part as well, like on the closure of the wig. It basically bleached the same as any other wig for the most part. It was pretty easy for me to bleach the knots. Now, if you don't want to bleach the knots, you absolutely do not have to. I will say you just have to put a little bit of extra powder to help hide the black knots. But honestly, even with this wig not bleached, unless someone's all up in your scalp, they're really not going to be able to tell. So that's also a plus. Me just being the person I am, I just wanted to bleach the knots, especially because it was just a small amount of lace that I had to bleach the knots on, so it wasn't really that big of a deal for me. This is what the wig looks like all pulled to the back, as you guys can see here. Like, low-key, like, you can't even really tell how long this wig is when it's pulled all the way to the back. If you want to think about it, like, for all y'all know, this can be a 30-inch. You know what I mean? No, my allergies are acting up. Am I the only person that's dealing with allergies right now? Like, I'm over here sneezing. I'm over here coughing. Like, people are looking at me like I got the Rona, and best believe I don't, because if I did, I would not still be going to work. Best believe. But yeah, I don't know. Am I the only person that's dealing with allergies right now? Let me know. Yeah, and then this is what it looks like from the side. And the back. And like I briefly mentioned earlier, I do not have to keep this wig on all the time. Like, hallelujah. Like, yo, y'all don't understand. Like, I love how I can literally just peel it off, throw it to the side if I want to, and then be able to sleep with my hair and be able to just let it breathe under the bonnet and just chill. Like, it's just a refresher. Like, honestly, I would say the total amount of time it takes for me to do my hair in the morning with me reinstalling it every morning, I would say is maybe like 5 to 7 minutes. Now granted, I don't use Got To Be Glue Gel just because I don't feel like it's durable enough because of the fact that it's been so hot. And like, literally, I get hot for anything. Like if I feel embarrassed, I get hot. If I think about being hot, I get hot. It's weird. I don't personally mind being super hot. It's just I don't like the fact that when I start getting sweaty, that's when it bothers me. And of course, when I get sweaty, the first place it hits is right around here where the glue is at. So I still use Ghost Bond glue. I only use a small layer. I only use one layer, and it's actually a really thin layer as well. So that basically keeps me secure throughout the day, but also it's not painful and I'm not trying to rip my skin off at night when I am taking this wig off. So that's technically what I do. Now you're more than welcome to use the Got2b Glue Free Spray or the Got2b Glue Gel when you install this hair. It's literally this much lace that you're installing. Like it's not a lot of lace, but at the same time it's a pro or a con the way you look at it. For me, I really love this wig because it definitely is low maintenance. You really don't have to do a lot to this wig at all. Maybe run the flat iron through the hair maybe like 1 or 2 times in like random sections and you're pretty much good to go. I've been wearing this hair, I would say almost for like a week now, honestly. I feel like it's been what, like 5 or so days? I think it's been like 5 or 6 days, so almost a week. I mean, wearing this hair. Of course, I do wear this hair to work. I usually work 8-hour shifts. And I tend to keep the hair on until basically I'm ready to go to sleep. It really doesn't bother me all like that. Of course, when I do my makeup and stuff like that, I do just tend to just put it behind my ears and call it a day with that. So again, it's not a super hot and heavy wig that I just want to throw off by the time I get home. So that's really good as well. But yeah, if I were to have to rate this hair a 1 out of 10, I would probably give it like an 8.5, maybe a 9. And honestly, the only reason why I would rate it that and not a perfect 10 is just because of the ear tabs. In my personal opinion, it doesn't bother me as long as I don't think about it, but if I think about it, then that's when it starts to kind of bother me a little bit. So just be wary of that if you are on the smaller head side of things. Really no complaints on my end. Definitely I would recommend for you guys to get this wig. Let me know if you guys are thinking about picking this wig up. Again, they do also offer like a 12-inch or like a 10-inch as well, I believe. Don't quote me on it, but they do offer different lengths as well for this wig. So if you don't want to technically go as long as a 14-inch, of course you don't have to. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl down below. If you guys have any additional questions, please don't hesitate to comment down below. And of course, like I always like to do, once I have worn this hair for a total of a month or at least close to a month, I will be doing a 1-month update on this hair, on how it behaves and stuff like that. Of course, me being a wigaholic, I'm not wearing this same exact wig for a whole month straight. I will be switching between different wigs, but definitely in the next upcoming weeks, definitely expect the month type update on this hair as well, just so you guys know that this hair is actually gonna look bomb for more than a week. So yeah, definitely look out for that, because your girl does do wig updates. I do updates. Okay, listen, there's not enough update videos on YouTube. I do updates. Don't play with me. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you have a great day or evening or whatever time you happen to be watching this, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. That was good though. Like, I really look good right now. Listen, sometimes you gotta hype yourself up. If ain't nobody gonna hype you up, hype yourself up. Like, listen, I look good.